Hi everyone. I want to welcome you to join us for the next Mojo show happening on the 10th of October. We've got a great day lined up for you. Some of the best teachers in the UK are offering some amazing workshops. I'll be teaching a Bollywood workshop in the afternoon where I'll be presenting 2, possibly even 3 combos for you to get stuck into and explaining the hand gestures used and the meanings behind them, and then we'll put it all together in some lovely combos for you to take away and use in your own dance. And I'll also follow that up with a handout that I'll send out to you. In the evening, we've then got an amazing show lined up, and please do be a part of it. Send in your submissions or even just come along, join in and watch on the night and find your dance mojo again. Tickets are on sale now, don't miss out, so click the link above and I will see you there. Bye.